Hi there, this is Payal Rajput. How are you all? Well, I'm so sorry for today I couldn't make it. I so wanted to come and meet you guys personally, but I'm a little occupied with my climax scenes and my production house, they are not letting me go anywhere. Anyway, guys, congratulations, all of you out there that you people are entering in the new phase of your life. Good luck, have a bright future, and would like to share something with you people, like little personal. You know what? Since childhood, I wanted to become an actress, but I used to be a little shy, not that outspoken, and really coward in my school life. But yes, the moment I took admission in Jim's college, my life got completely changed. The kind of support I got from my faculty, and especially from Nirmal Bhatnagar ma'am. Ma'am, you believed in me. You stood throughout my journey with me. And thank you so much. Without you, it couldn't be possible. You have given me wings to fly. And guys, believe in yourself, have faith, have confidence. And confidence will take you very far, I'm telling you. And one more thing, the moment I'll get time from here, I'm surely gonna come and meet you guys because I love my college a lot and missing it a lot. So see you guys soon. Take care.